Hey lovely people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bukomi. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. On this channel, I talk about everything passive income, different ways to make money online, and all that great stuff. So if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button there. Thank you. And turn on the bell notification just beside it so you know when I drop another video. So like always, in this video, I have something very exciting to share with you. That is how to start an online business, simple and easy from your home with just your laptop, internet connection, and that's all you need to get started. So if that interests you, if that excites you, make sure you stick with me to the end of this video because this video is going to be really packed as always. So let me share my screen with you guys and show you what I'm talking about. So guys, as you all can see, this is Amazon. Now we're going to be doing some kind of drop shipping, but with a twist, if you understand what I'm saying. For those of you who don't know what dropshipping is, it's just a simple term to explain buying something from a seller or a supplier and sending it directly to your customer without it coming or passing through you. So your customer pays you and you pay your supplier, and your supplier ships the item directly to the customer. If you understand what I'm saying, I have videos on my channel. I will link it up in the card that would explain dropshipping to you in details. But in this video, we're going to be using two platforms to start this business, this amazing business. So this is Amazon and this is Etsy. You guys know I love Etsy. So what you just need to do is come to Amazon and look for a product that you would like to sell on Etsy. Now, because Etsy is it's very careful and very they're very careful about the stuff you can sell on Etsy. So on Etsy you can only sell handmade stuff and vintage stuff, so we have to also be careful with the products we pick on Amazon. Now we're going to go to Amazon and just go to the category. Let's go to bestsellers. So if you're doing your product research or you're looking for product to sell, your bestseller category, new release, and movers and shaker categories are the best to actually get an idea of what products will sell on different marketplaces. But yeah, we're just going to go to the handmade products. Yes, so these are handmade products, but now I was talking about a twist. The thing with handmade product is you cannot most of them are customized, so you need to be very careful with the the shipping time, and you also need to be careful because some sellers here are also on Etsy, so you need to be kind of careful with that. But I mean, I just want to run you through how this would work if you really wanted to do this. So if I come to the home and kitchen, I mean, I love that category a lot. So let's say this mug. Now you could pick this mug from here. This is handmade, and if you go on Etsy you would see there are loads and loads of mugs. You can see mugs are, I mean, there are mugs everywhere on Etsy. Oh, okay, look at the same mug. So you can see the different mugs. My people are selling mugs, so it means this is really selling well on Etsy. This really sells well on Etsy. So now what you need to do is pick this product. If you wanted to list this product as is, like I said, remember this person might actually be on Etsy selling the same mug, so you want to be careful how you pick your product. But I just want to show you the concept behind this. So you could just come here, copy the title, go into your account in Etsy, paste it up there, come down here, copy the description, and do the same, if you understand what I mean. Yes, so that's how it works. So like I said, so you just have to be careful with this seller, because you don't want to duplicate a listing that is exactly like this on Etsy. I'm sure this same seller, this same person, that's the same person here on Amazon. So even if you're going to copy this. If you would take this from Amazon and you would buy from this seller and come back on Etsy to sell the same thing, you just have to be careful with that. I like to be careful. So, but if you were selling anything on another marketplace, if it wasn't handmade, it was just any other thing, and you want to kind of drop ship from Amazon, say you want to sell on eBay. Now what I would want you to do is make sure that it's a prime, either same day or next day delivery. Now what you need to do is you need to get this item sent to you, because Amazon doesn't like you having multiple addresses where you're sending from Amazon to the customer directly. They'll flag your account. So the safe thing to do, guys, because it is prime and it is either same day or next day, then you can offer fast shipping to your customers. So say you wanted to really create a store, on a standalone store, to dropship from Amazon to your customers, and you created your own online store, not a marketplace, your own online store, then you can actually come into Amazon and sell whatever you want to sell on your own website, but using Prime, so that when people buy on your website and you tell them it's 2 to 3 days, or 2 to 5 days, or 2 to 5 business days, or and you give them that short shipping time, people would actually buy and would trust you more. So what you need to do is come onto Amazon, pick the item, get it shipped to your own address, and you repackage it and send. I think that's the safe way to do drop shipping. That is how I do it, and that's the safest way to do it. Now, talking about mugs, I just wanted to tell you that quickly. I'm going to create another video really talking about the safe way to to do drop shipping. And so if you want to see that video, make sure you're subscribed and turn on the bell notification so you know when that video releases. Now, if you want to sell this same mug that this seller has made, I don't know how much the seller's made with this mug, but I mean, look at the sales here. This is across the store, but I mean, look at these sales, guys. So if you wanted to create something like this and have it on Etsy, the best and easy way to do it, look at this design. You come on to Printful. Printful is a print-on-demand apparel merch store where you actually can integrate it with your Etsy. And same with Printify. This is Printify. You can actually create this mug and sell it on Etsy using integration between Printify and Etsy, where Printify would actually fulfill this for you without it coming to you at all. That's the safe way. That's another safe way to sell on Etsy if you wanted to drop ship, especially if you wanted to drop ship merch and all of that. So yeah, that's how it works. Let's look at the categories here, guys, and let's just have an idea of the things you can sell on Etsy. I have a video on this channel walking you through drop shipping from Printify to different marketplaces, so you want to check out that video, and I'm going to link it somewhere in the description so you can have a look. Now, these are apparels, different things you can actually come in here and customize and have it on your Etsy store or wherever it is you want to sell. Now let's take a look at mugs. Where mugs? Let's just search here for mugs. You like mugs? Okay, so this is something you actually can create. You can create this design, or better designs. There are different designs. You can create this. You can create the design and just slap it on this mug here and upload it to your Etsy store. So you never have to get inventory. You never have to have this mugs shipped to your house or to you. But when your customers come onto Etsy to buy, then Etsy takes the payment for you. Once the payment is made, if you have integrated your Printify or your Printful store with your Etsy, then it gets shipped out. It gets printed on and shipped out to your customer. That's how that is. Like I said, I have a print on demand video on this channel. You want to watch that video in details. It explains to you how this process works. So guys, I just wanted to show you that quickly. Now we've talked about two things in this video. We talked about picking a product to sell on Etsy. So if you wanted to dropship from Amazon to Etsy, the safe way to do it, number one, is make sure that you're in the category that Etsy would allow you to list with. That's handmade and vintage products are the things you can sell on Etsy. So you need to come on into Amazon and look for that product that you want to sell, that vintage product, that handmade product that you want to sell. Then two, if you have to sell any other thing, maybe on another marketplace that is not Etsy, say on eBay or Facebook Marketplace, make sure it's something, or on your own website, make sure it's something that has Prime. And definitely you would have to be subscribed to Amazon Prime so that you can get this item shipped to you quickly. Then you repackage it. Now you've not used your money, the customer has paid you, then you go and buy it on Amazon. Amazon sends it to you quickly, you repackage it and send it to your customer, and you keep your profits. That's the safe way to drop shipping. Another thing I pointed out to you is if you wanted to sell mugs on here on Etsy, then another safe way, instead of coming to Amazon to take someone else's product that might cause trouble for you, you can actually like make the same mug in here. You can create the same mug. You can create it here using Printify or Printful, and you have it up and running on your Etsy store, and you make profits when you make a sale. So guys, that is what I wanted to share with you quickly in this video. If you find this useful, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have any question or query for me, please leave that in the comment section below. You'll find very useful links in the description. Please check the description so that you can avail yourself of the goodies that are in my description. Alright guys, thank you again for staying with me to the end of another video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.